बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद. My most honorable brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to present before you some etiquettes of sleeping. The sleep is a great blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us in the Quran Majid, Quran says, وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا, and we made your sleep a source of rest. وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا, and we made the night as a covering. And naturally, we feel sleepy when light decreases and the darkness increases, and it becomes the source of tranquility for the animals, for the human being, and naturally all animal and human beings sleep nicely in the night time, the same time, so that peace may prevail. وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the day for our livelihood. This is mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is a hadith pak on Abi Dharr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He says, one time I was sleeping on my stomach. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came by. He said, Ya Junaidu, innama hazihi zij'atu ahlin nar. Ya Junaidu, Abi Dharr, this is the way of sleeping the people of the hellfire. Actually, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam strike him, very light strike with his foot, and to wake him up, don't sleep like this way. So this is the greatest etiquette, that we should never sleep on the stomach wise. Now some other etiquettes I quote before you. First of all, when night fall, we should keep our children at home. After sunset, children should not go out for play. Then after Isha Salat, we should sleep as soon as possible with the niyat of Tahajjud and Fajr Salat. We should close all the doors saying Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. We should check the gas range, make sure no gas is open. Now we should make wuzu and come back to the bed. Our bed should be such a way, such direction, that when we sleep right side, our face should face toward Qibla. Who knows? Maybe this sleep may be the last sleep. At least we see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala facing towards Qibla. Of course, we should make very, very good wuzu, and we should dust off our bed. Maybe sometime some needle lying there. It will be pricked in the night time. Now we should sit down and read possibly Surah As-Sajda and Surah Al-Mulk. Barakallah ji. Then we start making other du'as. Through the Ibrahimi, one time, through the Ibrahimi, same what we make in Salat. Then Surah Fatiha one time, Ayatul Kursi one time, the last four Qul, Al-Kafirun, Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falaq, An-Nas. and then also through the Ibrahimi again. We should read all these and we should blow on our body as well as blow on the hand and rub our hands from head to toe, and also do ruqya dam like around your own bed. It will help that jinnat will be no more there. Now we should make dua, Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Maybe little few minutes we sleep left side, then few minutes facing towards the ceiling. Now sleep on the right side. Because if we sleep facing towards the ceiling, very bad, dreadful nightmare may come to you. And left side sleeping is against the sunnah, and also your heart will be kept pressed during the night time. It may result in the heart attack also. Because every sunnah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a blessing for us. Before sleeping, we should memorize, remember the day activities. All good deeds, what we did daytime, we should do shukr on that. That inshallah, wala in shakartum la azidannakum. Next day, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you do more good deeds. And any sin happen, please don't sleep without istighfar. We should do tawbah. Ya Allah, forgive me, forgive me, forgive me, and I will not do again. To tawbah. If we bother somebody daytime by chance, please try to get forgiveness from other party to whom you bother before sleep. And if somebody bother you, then you forgive that party without they ask you. Then, as a reward, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive you in the day of Qiyamah without asking. Now, during the sleep, if you feel some bad dream, so what do we do? We say, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, and spit on the left shoulder and change the side. Now, you wake up and make wuzu and make tahajjud salat. Any bad dream come, don't mention to anybody at all. I recommend do some istighfar and give some sadaqah. Then that bad dream will not have any kind of bad effect on you. If good dream come, try to keep with you. Don't propagate it. Don't tell everybody, I got this dream, I got this dream. No, no, no. Even you may be able to say to your spiritual sheikh, that scholar, he is a muttaqi scholar, and you also trust him, he will keep to himself. You may ask for interpretation, for tabir. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to have good sleep. This is a great blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.